Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can remove Google Custom Search from Chrome. So the first method here is open up your Chrome browser, as you can see here, and then just have to click on the three dots at the top right-hand corner and just click on these settings. Now here on your settings at the left panel, you want to click on the system and then go to open your computer's proxy settings. So click on this one. And as you can see this option, now all you need to do here, you just need to make sure that you turn off this proxy server here. And also you just need to turn off this setup script. So right there. And also make sure that you enable this automatically detect settings. So check if it fixed the issue. Now, if the problem persists, let's go to the second method. So go back to your Chrome settings. And then here, go to your search engine. It's right there. And then click on Manage Search Engines and Site Search. So basically here, the possible custom search is the default value, which is the Google default. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to select other search website like Bing. And then I'm going to click on the three dots here and click on Make Default. So with this, it will fix your problem on your Chrome. But if the problem still persists, you want to go on the last method, which is going to your extensions. And from here, make sure that you toggle off, disable, or remove all the unnecessary extensions on your Chrome. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you on the next video.